If you are using Trello right now, there is a good chance your organized system it's actually just a bunch of cards sitting in columns. And somehow you still don't know what's actually moving forward. Because managing tasks is not the same thing as managing execution. In this video, I'll break down Trello in 2026, what it does well, where it falls short, and a better way to manage real workflows. Trello is one of the most popular project management tools out there. It's based on the Kanban system, boards, lists, and cards. And it became popular because it's simple. Drag, drop down. Simplicity can become a limitation pretty fast. Let's start with what Trello does well. First, it's extremely easy to use. You can set up a board in minutes. Second, visual clarity. You see everything laid out in columns, which makes it intuitive. Third, flexibility. You can use it for personal tasks, team projects, content planning, like a CRM. Fourth, integrations and power-ups. You can connect it with other tools and extend functionality. For simple task management, it works really well. You are managing a small team. Do, in progress, done. You add tasks, assign people, move cards. Looks clean. But as things grow, you start asking, what happens after this task is done? Who follows up? What triggers the next step? And Trello doesn't really answer that, because it tracks tasks, but not outcomes. Trello has a free plan, which is enough for basic usage. But advanced features like automation, views, and integrations are limited. Paid plans unlock more capabilities. But at that point, you are still building around the task board. So you end up paying more for a system that still needs other tools. It is not a workflow engine. It doesn't manage logic. It doesn't automate complex processes. It doesn't connect everything into a system. You still need automation tools, CRM, communication tools, tracking systems. So again, it becomes one piece in a bigger stack. The more tools you add, the harder it is to manage everything. Now here is the shift. The idea of visual task management is great. It should be part of your system. But it needs to go beyond just moving cards. With something like Collio, you are not just managing tasks. You are managing workflows and systems. Instead of just tracking the progress, define what happens after each step, automate actions, connect tasks to real business processes, manage everything in one place. So again, same concept at the surface, but much deeper execution underneath. Trello is great for simple tasks, but if you are running a real business, you need more than boards and cards. You need a system that actually moves things forward.